Ever been curious about which forms convert the best on your website amidst the chaos of multiple options? Let's dive into how to track all your website's forms using the power of Google Tag Manager in a few easy steps. First, hop into your Google Tag Manager account and select your container. Navigate to the Tags section. Click that big blue New button. This will be the heart of our configuration. Now we're in Tag Configuration. Click on Tag Configuration and from the long list, choose Custom HTML. In the HTML section, prepare for a tiny bit of magic. We'll add a snippet of code that will listen for all form submissions on your website, sending data about which form was submitted, and then send a custom event to Google Analytics. This is what will tell GTM to listen. Next up, triggers. Click in the triggering section. Click the plus sign to create a new trigger. Select form submission as your trigger type. Make sure all forms is selected, so our trigger will track all form submissions. This is essential for websites with multiple forms. Save your trigger, giving it a descriptive name like All Forms Trigger. Then save your new tag, naming it something like All Forms Track Submissions. Alright, time for the final step, testing. Turn on preview mode in GTM. Now go to your website and submit one of your forms. When you've successfully submitted it, you should see a new form submission tag in preview mode. You can then go to the variables section to see the form data that you have sent to Google Analytics. And just like that, watch your Google Analytics data come alive with insights into which forms are working and where you can optimize for even better results. Remember to publish your changes in GTM to make them live on your website.